Hello, today I would like to show you the problem quite common with the Samsung CLP-315 printer, and I'm pretty sure the problem is in many printers in the series that are using same optical sensor at the output, and the problem is the paper gets jam, the paper stops over here. It's not going out, the printer is reporting an error, and that you have to clean a paper jam. And of course it's going over and over. There are many cogs and wheels inside the pickup roller, so there is many parts that can go wrong. So it's important to understand how looks the symptom of the not working exit paper optical sensor. So we have our printer working, and I'm going to press this button and print a test page, and you're going to see what's going to happen. We are printing the test page, and you're going to see how it looks like. And as you can see, we have a paper stuck. We've got an error. If we leave that, it looks like this. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clear the paper jam, and this is the important part. I'm going to unplug the printer. I'm going to open the back panel. I'm going to lift the diffuser, and now I'm being able to pull the page. I block it back, I close, I'm going to plug it in, and this is how looks the printout. And I'm going to wait a second for heat up. I'm going to put new piece of paper, and we are going to do same thing again. Okay, we are warm up. I put new piece of paper on the tray, and we are going to make exactly the same thing. We are going to print another page. We are going to compare these two pages together, and if they are in exact same spot, that will mean we have a problem on the sensor. If it will be in random places, then it will mean this is not fault of the sensor. So I'm going to unplug. Same as before, I'm going to open the back panel, lift from the diffuser, and I'm going to pull the page, lock in place, and I'm going to compare these two pages. And as you can see, we have stopped printing in exactly the same spot. This is not like from the roller at a random place when you have more or left. We have exactly the same moment, and that means we have a problem in the sensor because the page is not being seen as going out. So I'm going to open the printer, I'm going to show you the sensor, and we are going to replace it, and we are going to see how it fixes the problem. Okay, as you can see, the printer is open, and over here this is the location of our optical sensor that we need to replace, and this is how looks the replacement. Let me get it over here to better focus. This is our sensor. You've got the connector, and there are the hooks that it clipped onto the place. And now I'm going to mount the camera. This is the location. You have to remove the diffuser, you have to take the roll, and you have to pry the sensor. And I'm going to put the camera on top, and I will show you the process of taking it back together, and we're going to try to print out. Okay, so I put the new sensor, the old one is over here, and now we are going to take the printer back. First we would like to put the fuser back. Over here is a little thing that you can press, and you have to make sure it will go into a hole, just like that. And don't worry, it won't clip over here. It will be like that because we need to put a screw. Now we are going to add over here a transfer roll. That part go on the bottom, just like that. They are rotating, and we have to just find a good spot. Okay, you can hear it click on place and everything is good. Now we are going to put two screws over here and over there. Okay, and another screw go over here. It is critical to not touch the transfer belt or to scratch or anything else, because you get a bad picture. And that's almost done. Now we're going to put our top plate. Okay, we make sure that this is locked in place. We're putting our top plate. Just like that. I can hear the clicking, so everything is aligned properly. Now we are going to add a two screw from the front that held the top plate. Just two screws. And the another one. And now screw on the back. I had to rotate it to get a better access to the screw, and we are talking about 4 screws over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I hope we are going to have a good access right now. And over there. Our last one. Make sure the fuser is on the bottom, it's locked. Now we are going to put it back, just like that. And now we have to find a piece of paper and check it. Okay, we've got the paper. This is our old one. Yellow loading our paper onto the tray, and that will be interesting. It's snapped back in place. We're applying power. Doing self-test, and we are going to make our printout. I'm pretty sure it will work, so we can open the tray. Okay, pressing, and our test page is going to be printed out. Let's see, will it work? It must work. Okay, and as you can see, it printed.